Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most impressive new motorhomes stepping into the 2026 lineup, the Star Milkway, built on the IVECO chassis with a full double-floor design. This motorhome is built for travelers who want comfort, space, performance, and true long-distance capability, and from the moment you walk around it, you can tell it's engineered for real adventures. Let's get into a full, detailed review so you know exactly what this machine brings to the road. The first thing you notice on the outside is its bold new shape. The 2026 Star Milkway carries clean edges, a strong shoulder line, and a wide stance that instantly gives it presence. The IVECO chassis provides a heavy-duty foundation, so the proportions look balanced and controlled instead of bulky. The LED front lighting is sharp and modern, giving it a futuristic front face paired with a sculpted bumper that adds some confidence and aerodynamic efficiency. The windshield is large and curved, offering a panoramic driving view that's perfect for long highway runs. Moving along the sides, the crisp body panels and integrated storage lockers highlight how well this motorhome is organized. The double-floor structure rises slightly, but it's seamlessly blended into the body so it doesn't look oversized. This design not only adds insulation but also gives you a massive amount of hidden storage underneath. Travelers who love carrying gear, folding bikes, tools, or extra camping equipment will love how many compartments are accessible from the outside. The power awning, flush windows, and weather-resistant seals show that this model is ready for all seasons and all climates. Even the rear design feels premium with LED tail lamps, a solid bumper, a high-mounted camera, and an optional ladder for roof access. On the performance side, the IVECO chassis remains one of the most reliable and capable platforms in the motorhome world. The 2026 Star Milkway continues that tradition with a powerful diesel engine that delivers steady torque even when the motorhome is fully loaded. It's smooth at higher speeds and surprisingly quiet inside. The suspension absorbs rough roads better than many other motorhomes in this size class, and the steering feels well weighted, giving you confidence even in tighter spaces or windy conditions. Braking performance is equally strong thanks to IVECO modern safety systems, making long-distance travel comfortable and secure. Whether you're crossing highways, climbing mountain roads, or navigating through small towns, this motorhome moves with stability and calmness. Now stepping inside, the interior feels like walking into a modern apartment on wheels. The double-floor layout immediately adds a sense of space. The warm lighting, premium soft-touch materials, and bright open design make it feel airy and luxurious. The living area offers a large lounge seating setup with high-quality cushions that support long hours of comfort during meals or relaxation. The panoramic windows allow natural light to flood in, creating a relaxing environment whether you're parked by a lake or in a forest campground. The dining table feels sturdy, well-placed, and designed to handle both work and family meals with ease. The kitchen area is surprisingly generous for a motorhome of this type. You get a deep sink, a multi-burner cooktop, a big refrigerator, storage drawers, and a modern countertop that can handle everyday cooking. Everything feels well thought out, placed within reach, and ready for real usage during long trips. The cabinetry has smooth hinges and secure locks, so nothing rattles while you're driving. Moving toward the bedroom, the design gives you a premium hotel-like feel. The bed is spacious with thick padding for comfortable sleeping, and the overhead cabinets and side wardrobes give you plenty of storage for clothing and personal items. Thanks to the double floor construction, the temperature control in this space stays very stable, making it great for both summer heat and winter cold. The bathroom is another highlight. You get a full separate shower cabin, a modern toilet, proper ventilation, and a clean vanity area that doesn't feel cramped. Many motorhomes compromise on bathroom comfort, but the 2026 Star Milkway delivers a space that actually feels usable for daily living. Another major advantage of the double floor design is the hidden utilities. Wiring, heating pipes, water tanks, and insulation are positioned between the floors, giving the interior a clean look and improving comfort on long trips. It reduces noise, enhances climate control, and creates a smooth floor surface without random steps inside the cabin. Overall, the 2026 Star Milkway IVECO chassis double-floor motorhome is built for people who want a true home-on-wheels experience without sacrificing driving comfort or durability. It brings a perfect blend of modern technology, high-quality materials, clever storage solutions, and a powerful driving platform that's trusted worldwide. Whether you're planning cross-country journeys, weekend escapes, or full-time motorhome living, this model checks all the boxes and then adds extra space, comfort, and reliability. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and share your thoughts below. This has been the 2026 Star Milkway IVECO chassis double floor motorhome, and I'll see you in the next video.